In this video you will learn open concept kitchen design ideas. Open concept kitchen designs are growing in popularity, becoming a staple of modern home design. By removing barriers between cooking and living areas, these layouts foster togetherness, enhancing both style and functionality. This transformation redefines your home's aesthetic and promotes interaction among family members and guests. It ensures no one is left out while culinary creations come to life, enhancing social engagement and maximizing space efficiency. An open concept layout enhances natural light flow, creating bright, airy spaces. Imagine hosting dinner parties where laughter flows freely or enjoying morning coffee as sunlight floods through strategically placed windows and glass doors. As we explore 7 stunning ideas for transforming your kitchen into a centerpiece of your home, discover how functionality melds seamlessly with innovative design. With practical tips and striking inspirations, it's time to realize your vision of a vibrant living space. Emphasizing natural light is key. Large windows and glass doors enhance brightness and create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Skylights over key areas can add essential light while becoming architectural features. Using lighter shades for cabinetry and walls amplifies natural light, creating an airy ambience. Soft whites, pale grays, or muted pastels can make the room feel larger, perfect for an open concept layout, enhancing visual appeal. Creating a seamless flow between your open concept kitchen and adjacent living areas is essential. Using matching materials across both spaces, such as hardwood floors, creates visual continuity, while harmonizing color palettes ties together distinct zones. Furniture arrangement facilitates interaction. Placing seating arrangements near cooking spaces encourages conversation and socialization. For instance, an L-shaped sectional positioned near the kitchen ensures no one feels isolated. Designing purposeful sight lines enhances the perception of openness. Strategically placed windows frame views, while glass partitions offer elegance and transparency. These elements keep spaces connected while maintaining a sense of separation. Functional layouts maximize efficiency in open concept kitchens. The work triangle between the sink, stove, and refrigerator is crucial. Keeping these zones in close proximity enhances ergonomic flow and ease of movement. Multifunctional islands maximize workspace and storage. An island can serve as a food prep station, dining area, or family hangout. Built-in cabinets or drawers provide extra storage, maintaining an airy aesthetic aligned with open concept ideals. Stylish storage solutions are paramount. Innovative cabinet designs maximize vertical space and minimize visual clutter. Tall cabinets extending to the ceiling or custom units with pull-out features provide ample storage and create an expansive room illusion. Open shelving adds personality and warmth. Carefully curated shelves showcase decorative dishware or cookbooks. Maintaining organization is crucial to avoid visual chaos, making shelves an attractive focal point. Built-in solutions like pantry cabinets or corner storage systems enhance convenience and organization. A pull-out pantry offers easy access to essentials, while customized corner units transform overlooked spaces into practical assets. Bold design elements define an open concept kitchen's personality. Striking color palettes like deep navy or vibrant emerald create eye-catching focal points. Pairing these hues with white countertops achieves a clean, dramatic contrast. Lighting fixtures make a significant impact. Statement pieces like oversized pendant lights or artistic chandeliers draw attention and set the mood. Unique backsplashes or countertops, like reclaimed wood or bold geometric tiles, enhance visual interest. By integrating these stunning design ideas, you can transform your kitchen into a breathtaking centerpiece of your home. Embrace the open concept layout to create an inviting and vibrant living space where functionality and style merge seamlessly.